Hello everybody and welcome to my YouTube channel, Dream of Crafts. My name is Deanna and today we're going to be doing the walkthrough for my Easter mini album. There is a two-part tutorial for this. The first tutorial is all the build and the second tutorial is all the decorations, putting on the decorative cardstock and decorating the front and the cover. So I have used Authentique's Abundant Easter collection paper pad. These are some scraps here. And this is all I have left is these two sheets. I did use two additional sheets from 2017. What was this one? Jubilee Easter collection that I wanted to use up because it was the only two sheets I had. I'm going to do a shadow box layout with these two sheets that are left here, so I won't have any paper left other than a few scraps that I have that I didn't use for this project. And this collection was from 2018, but I wanted to use it up. So let's go ahead and measure this up for you. It is 9 inches high by 9.5 wide, and our spine is just 1 inch. So, and as you can see on the front here, we've got the cutout from the tags. It just says Easter. I didn't have any stickers or anything. I just had the paper pack. The flowers I cut with my die cutting machine, and those are out of my scraps along with these leaves. And then I've created just a little magnetic band here to help hold this close. On the back, I've just got this page here. And then on the spine, I've just added some of the punch out bunnies that I had from using this EK little tiny bunny punch. So I'll go ahead and head on inside. Okay, as you can see, we've got papers here. Now, although I love the looks of where people put the like the white paper or whatever to show exactly where you want to put your photos, I like that look, but it's not suitable for what I use my albums for. When I get my pictures printed up, when I take pictures, I don't plan, okay, I need a picture uh, horizontal, or I need one landscape. So when I go in, I can put two pictures this way. I can put two pictures this way in this album. But if I have it set up where I've got my cards laid out on there, then I can't choose which way I want to put my pictures. But like I said, I love the looks of it. It's just not practical for me at this time. Not to say I won't ever do a book like that, because I have done books like that, but just for my use at this time, it's not practical to do that. All right, so this opens up, and we have a nice size spot here. Grab a picture here, and then this is a cut apart here, and that's just open. So you still get a nice size picture there. And then this flips to the left. Again, you get two pictures. And of course, you get your nice big area here. Pictures. This flips again to your left. You have additional large spot here and here, of course. And then this closes back up this way and it opens this way. And to your left, you have a pocket here. See, I think it's the only pocket I made. I didn't make a lot of pockets because I don't like having to, for Easter, I don't use any pamphlets or anything like that, or memorabilia, things that I would need to stick in there. So, but you got room for a nice photo there, and of course there. And then you got a full page layout here. You can do your pictures either way. And to our left, this left side here expands out even further. And you've got a flip here. And you can see where I've cut all the little bunnies out. So you've got a flip here. And then, of course, this is left open, so you can get a photo here, photo here. And then this is another additional flip here. And then you can get a photo there, photo here, 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 or here. So that is the right side, and then that's held together by a magnet. And then on our left side here, this flips to the right, and you have a nice big size spot here. Like I said, you can get your photos either direction that you want on this. And you can put a full photo there. This flips open. This is just a tag I thought was pretty, so I won't put a picture there, but you could. It'll hold a full photo. And then we've got some patchwork of the scraps in here. And you can do that. Another full photo here. Another sheet here. And again, either way, just a nice album. Full photos this way or this way. This is another one of the patchwork ones. You can get a nice big picture this way here. This flips open and then open again. So you can get your photos in here. And then we have another flip here. In addition to that, you can get a photo there. We have another flip here. And we got a tag on the inside there for decoration. And then again, you can get a nice full photo here or down here and do your journaling. You got a spot here for your pictures, like so. This flips to your left. You have another large area. And then this is the back. And you have another large area there. So that is it. So it has lots of little spots. Yeah. Oops, I had it right. There we go. And that magnet closes. So both of these adhere right to the book itself. So there's no hinges or anything to have to create. They're just, the base of the page is attached right to the book. So that is it. A nice, simple, quick project. It goes together nice and quickly. This was built with 8.5 by 11 standard size US cardstock. So nice and easy. And of course my decorative cardstock was 12 by 12. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you take a look at both the tutorials. And if you're a subscriber, thank you so much. I appreciate it. If you are not a subscriber, please consider doing so at this time. You can go ahead and hit that subscribe button down in the right-hand corner. And when you do, a bell will pop up. If you select the bell, you can be notified each time I put up a new video. And as always, until the next time, I hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.